Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's consumer electronics within South Africa. In this video guys, we're going to be showing you the difference between the brand new 2026 LG Magic Remote versus the 2025 LG Magic Remote. So stick around because that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So let's get straight into it. So let's look at the differences that the 2025 AI Magic Remote has compared to the 2026 AI brand new Magic Remote. Now I'll only highlight the differences that the Magic Remote has. Everything else pretty much stays the same. So at the very top you had an accessibility to your shortcut functions on vision and hearing on the 2025 Magic Remote. On the 2026 you have a customizable button, and we'll talk about the features in which you can customize on the LG Smart TV. At the very bottom on the right you had the Alexa button. On the 2026 at the bottom right you have the YouTube shortcut key. Over here on the left on the 2025 AI Magic Remote you had the apps, and on the 2026 AI Magic Remote you had the movies. Other than that guys, ladies and gentlemen, the Magic Remote's feature on the 2026 pretty much stays the same across the board. But let's talk about that customizable button. So the customizable button has two functions behind it. You can quick press or click and hold, and this will provide you up to two features in which you can open an app or a feature directly through the customizable button. So what feature or function can you do with this is that now you can mute your TV and then you can click and hold in order to open the input list, or you can access your accessibility shortcuts directly through the customizable shortcut key. Now that is quite amazing. I think a lot of people will probably yearning for this type of feature to come into the new and improved AI Magic Remotes, and that is exactly what this button is there to provide. So there you have it folks, a difference between the 2026 LG AI Magic Remote and the 2025 AI Magic Remote. Now I know some of you might be purchasing your LG TV for the very first time, so in the next video we'll do a thorough guide on how to utilize the LG 2026 AI Magic Remote. So stay tuned for that, turn on notifications if you guys are going to be wanting to learn the functions behind the remote. As always guys, stay safe and blessed until the next one.